Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Fusion key battery. Start by preparing a flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery on a clean, soft surface. Remove any rings or bracelets to avoid scratching the fob. Work slowly and apply gentle prying pressure at the seam. Keep track of the small plastic clip and battery orientation. If your fob feels stuck, wiggle slightly rather than forcing it to avoid damage. Start by holding the fob with the buttons facing down and the key released toward you. Insert the flathead into the notch and twist gently until the halves begin to separate. Work the screwdriver a little at a time around the seam until it opens. Lift the back cover and carefully remove any small plastic retention clip. Place components in order so reassembly is straightforward and you won't lose the tiny parts. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more hands-on tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it felt like a smart companion to simple car maintenance tips. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy if curious. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Observe the battery orientation and gently pry the old CR2032 free using a plastic tool or fingertip. Slide the new battery into the same position with the positive side facing up as noted earlier. Make sure the battery sits flat and that any clips hold it securely. Press a button to confirm the LED or lock function responds before closing. If it fails, recheck orientation and contacts for proper connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.